How to add italic text on Instagram caption. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to go to your Google. After that, here in the search bar, type and search for italic. And after searching for that, you'll be able to see the italic text generator, which is lingojam.com in the first link. So tap on that. And from here you can change your normal text to italic. For example, you can enter any of the word. And here you can see the normal text has been converted to italic, cursive, script, and italic bold, and many more. So in order to enter it into the caption, you can simply tap and hold the text and copy it, and you can paste it in your caption. So by following this simple step, you can add italic text in Instagram caption. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.